You will enjoy satisfying videos of workers doing their job perfectly. Now keep watching. Do people who bend metal cables with their hands seem like real titans on YouTube? Wait for the final result. This work is very hard. This is one of the best worker skills, and you should be very strong to do that. This guy's hard work definitely deserves a like. Behold the world's greatest burger packer. You've never seen such a clean tree felling before. Give this tinkerer his tools, some vinyl, and a little time, and he will completely transform your car. Who agree with me? Car inventions that have reached a new level. Not even the most innovative robotic system could beat this team of bread wrappers. Check out this finely tuned system, by the way. This team of croissant makers is the perfect mix of expertise and coordination. Notice how Jeff manages to cut so skillfully without a single pause. Keep your eyes peeled for what this talented couple is able to create with a palm front. Satisfying video for relaxation. Meet the superhero of street cleaning. Watching this guy apply varnish is so satisfying that you won't want to blink. Oddly satisfying videos of workers doing their job perfectly. And this guy's table cleaning skills are like a lesson in Kung Fu. This brave person works at incredible heights to install aerial markers and keep pilots safe. This worker loves his job. This painter is second to none when it comes to applying liquid wallpaper. The calligraphy on this cake is so mesmerizing that there are few who could replicate it by hand. This is painter in another level. The mastery we see here makes even the creation process enjoyable, not just the eating part. I don't believe what I see. I had no idea that such small details on a car could even be wrapped like this. I don't want this to end. Watch this guy flawlessly paint an entire ship and provide a treat for your eyes every step of the way. The way this worker stays in perfect position while winding silicone is mesmerizing. Believe me, very few people can put together sections of a ball perfectly. Check out your new favorite barber. It's mind-blowing. How can a single person create a wonder like this out of clay? You can't help but enjoy professionals cutting fish meat. It's a real treat. These workers doing their job perfectly. This skilled team ensures first-class heat treatment of these massive barrels. Imagine how skilled this person has to be to polish a propeller underwater. Ingenious workers that do their job perfectly and are at the next level. Watch us Navy members practice dropping anchor. Thanks to a single skilled worker, hundreds of miles of foil are rolled into coils with absolute perfection. Hey, you people working there, you have nerves of steel. Go behind the scenes and experience the submarine assembly process firsthand.